Okay, let's learn card flourishes 101. Card flourishes, the very first move I've learned in before I started Magic was known as the card spring, what you saw there. But there is a lot of kind of card springs, such as the regular card spring, and there is a table card spring, which is honestly looks really good. The under bridge card spring. There is the large card spring, and there's so many more variations on card springs. Let me just adjust the camera. And card springs are actually used as a flourish to make the cards look flourishy. But when you see me do this large move, you notice how it only stays there for like a split second, like for a few seconds only, because you only can display like this for a short while until my other hand catches it back again. So in slow-mo look like this. I'm springing the cards and catching it back in my hand, but I can keep it quite wide. Let's try. I have to catch it along, or else the cards will all just fall. They won't stick together. That's only if all the cards are glued together. I know some people like to do that. They like to glue together all the cards, and then when they spring it, they don't need to catch it. It just stay like that. It's like as if you're juggling, or like you're trying to keep track of the cards, but instead they just keep the cards at this point like that. Okay, so let's learn the card spring. Let's get into the tutorial. So the card spring, I'll teach three versions. The regular one, on the table, and the large one. Okay, first we'll go with the grip, the handling, and the position. Okay, grip. So the grip, you want to hold the deck. This is the deck of cards. Okay, you hold it in your non-dominant hand, and your dominant hand, the hand you use to write, you want to bend it inwards like this. Okay, and you're using 1, 2, 3 these fingers. Actually, you're using all three here. The pinky doesn't really count, and you're releasing off from your thumb. Okay, so you bend in. You're gonna want to release off. At the start, it's gonna come off from slowly like this. It's gonna start like that, and as you get better, you go bigger and bigger, wider. So that's the grip. Basically, your other hand is gonna catch. Your hand is flat like this. This is known as a mechanics grip. Okay, so you start here. When you're ready to spring the cards, you grab it to this position. 3 fingers on the top right corner, and your thumb at the top bottom left corner, like this. You hold it, pinch inwards, thumb, release the cards slowly one at a time, until all the cards come out eventually. Now for the table, same thing. You're doing the same grip, pinching inwards, pushing inwards, spring it out on the table, and your hand, right, you're going to spring it to your hand, and your hand's going to catch it. But you want to practice this. You want to practice the first one first. So as you get better, you're going to spring it, so the first card should fly to your hand, so that you can pick it up all easily, because all the cards follow along the first card. Say the first card, second also comes to your hand, right? And I spring all together, it all comes here together. See, watch out. 1, 2 come together, all comes together at once. So if I do a table one goes there, all follow along. Okay, now let's learn the third one. Oh, my hand's already getting sore from doing the card spring. Okay, let's switch. Okay, the third one, same grip. Okay, just ignore what I'm doing. I just switched it. I just turned it upside down because I'm keep bending inwards. Bending inwards. Other hand is gonna be like here. You start here. You spring. As you spring, your hand is catching the card along with it. Okay. Okay. That is the tutorial, and I'll go through this one more time. Okay. So, grip. Three fingers here. Except for your pinky, your thumb too. Actually, 4 fingers. Your thumb with the other 3. The other 3, top right corner. The thumb on the top bottom left corner. bend inwards and flat out like this, maybe turn a bit and catch it slowly. Release off from your thumb, okay? And here also, keep in mind when you're on the table, when you're doing table spring, you want to shoot out to the palm of your hand here. You aim for the palm of your hand or the pinky, because right, when you aim for this part, all comes along. I'm not pushing the cards. I'm just releasing it here, and then all you can just pick up like that. That's the tutorial. I hope you guys liked that tutorial. It was the card spring, and it was the very first move I learned in card magic. If you like this tutorial and you want more tutorials like this, remember to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace. Bye.